Hey Bay East, today I want to tell you all about community referrals and legal and financial resources, all available through the Holman Group. You can locate free or reduced cost local resources for childcare, elder care, housing, employment, education, and much more simply by entering your zip code. Each member has access to the Legal and Financial Services portal with information on thousands of legal and financial topics, over 5,000 state-specific legal forms, more than 45 financial calculators, professionally written articles, FAQs, and more. Members and their family are entitled to a 30-minute phone consultation with a licensed attorney for each legal matter you may have. And if an attorney is retained after the initial consultation, receive a 25% discount for legal or mediation services. Get a no-cost telephonic consultation with staff financial counselors provided by seasoned financial professionals and licensed CPAs. The staff counselor can assist with issues such as college planning, consumer debt and budgeting assistance, complex tax issues, credit counseling, insurance, investments, financial aspects of retirement and estate planning, or financial issues related to the loss of a wage earner as a result of death or divorce. You or your dependent also have access to 100% accurate state-specific forms. Most popular forms include divorce, immigration, name change, living trusts, living wills, power of attorney, and prenuptials. Join me next time to learn about some amazing member savings available to you and your family, all available through, you guessed it, the Holman Group. In the meantime, you can visit their website to explore for yourself. Visit www.holmangroup.com and enter the login information on the screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our Member Services Department at 925-730-4060. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.